What's going on, guys? Welcome back to DRock Fishing. In this episode we're going to be going over a floor slash deck build that I made. I just finished it up yesterday. Pretty excited. So what it consists of is 3/4 inch plywood, some carpet, indoor outdoor carpet, some carpet glue, and some stainless steel staples. That's pretty much all I used for this. So we'll go over the measurements and how I built it in a little bit. I just wanted to show you real quick what it does. You have a floor in the back and the front, of course, but the front piece is removable and you can use it as a casting deck. It gives you a good height and it also gives you a good amount of space to stand on without taking up the rest of the space. And the great thing about this is it's convertible, so you don't need to cast anymore. Put it back down. So we'll get into how we built that in just a minute. All right, guys, so the wood has been cut. Again, it's 3/4 inch. We have two pieces. This is going to be the front piece. It's going to be used as a deck, a removable to be a deck and just be floor if you want to. All right, so for size, we have 73 1/4 and 20 1/4 in width. Now for the smaller one, you're gonna cut 20 1/4, which is the same as over here, 20 1/4 and 28 inches. So there it is, 28 inches. Okay, guys, so for the front piece of your floor, you're gonna measure out to get these cutouts. You're gonna go to 26 inches. You're gonna put a little mark right here. Then you're gonna go here. You're gonna go to 18 3/8, which is right here. Let me see, you got 1, 2, 3 right here. 18 3/8. That line goes directly here. There it is. You're gonna put another mark here, draw a line, get something to make it straight, draw a line, cut that off, cut this part off, and you'll be good for the front. On these cuts, you're gonna go to 67 1/4. Right there, 67 1/4. You're gonna mark your dot there. For your other measurement, you're gonna go to 15 inches right here. You're gonna mark a dot right there at the line. And then you're gonna mark a dot here, you're gonna make a line and cut that part off. Do the same for both sides. Alright, guys, so that's the gap that we left in between for the carpet, because we still have to fill this in with carpet, fill that corner in with carpet. Of course, these two, and over here in the back. So like I said, that should fill in that gap that we have here. Alright, so I sealed this up the day before yesterday. After I cut it, or the main cuts. Today all I did was the smaller cuts. So I'm gonna seal that up, but I might as well just seal the whole thing up a second time. And for that, I use the Thompson's water seal. This is the one I use. So 2 coats should make this a lot better than the one that it has. All right, now we're gonna get the carpet and cut that. Yes, I went with green again. Okay, guys, so we finished up with the upholstery of the deck or the floor, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so what I did was I went to one corner, I did the staples right here, and then I just stapled from here to here. The rest I left this open. Then I put some, of course I put some glue. I flipped it over this way and I just started putting glue little by little. I would put some glue here, and then I'd roll it over. Then I'd put some glue from here to here, roll it, glue, roll it. And then as I was rolling, I would get a 2x4, and with the 2x4 I would push the carpet this way. That way I'd make sure that the glue was really securing itself to the wood. So if you look, it's pretty good. Like I'm trying to pull it and the glue is keeping it together. It's doing its job. So I did that all the way to the end. Once I got over here, I did the same thing, push it this way. I just did a few staples right here, and after that I started doing all the rest of the cutting. And I mean, there's no right or wrong way to do this, guys. It's personal preference. What I did was I folded here. I had already stapled this side, and then I grabbed all the extra slack and I cut, because when I grabbed the slack and I folded it this way, it had a lot of extra layover this way. So what I did was I cut that down up to around right here. I folded this piece in, and then I laid this back this way, and I stapled this down. Did the same thing on this side. I cut here to around right here because I was gonna have the same problem. I had to, because of the angle. So what I did was I just cut here, and I started stapling these that way. Went to the end, same thing on both sides. And then in the back, this one was easier. I just overlaid it this way, and I had to do a cut here and a cut here. And on this one, well, I just did the same thing. So I cut it like that, and then the same way over here. And that was pretty much it. One thing I will tell you guys, make sure you use stainless steel staples. On the first deck that my buddy and I built, I used regular staples, and I noticed that they are already rusting, and that's because I don't even take it to the salt water. Pay the extra money. It was like 13 bucks for the staples. Just pay the extra money, that way you don't have to worry about it for a long time. And I ended up giving this 2 layers also of the wood seal, the water seal, Thompson's water seal. So it fits pretty good, guys. We got these. It fits good, you can see here and over here. Well, let me see. You got your deck here, and let me get on it so that way you guys can see how it is. It's not too bad. It's not like I'm gonna be jumping on the thing, you know. And afterwards, gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with those wires so they won't be hitting so much. But yeah, pretty much. There you go. There it is, guys. You got a lot of space now. And like I said, if you choose to make this a deck, you have the option. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.